Most people say they want more money, but if you ask them why, the answers are often very different. Some people want enough money to stop worrying about bills and unexpected expenses. Others dream of having complete control over their time, where work becomes a choice instead of a necessity. These two goals may sound similar, but they represent something very different. One is financial security, and the other is financial freedom. Many people use these terms interchangeably, but understanding the difference between them can completely change how you approach your financial life. Both are valuable, both can improve your future, and both require planning. However, they are not the same destination. 1. What is financial security? Financial security is the point where your basic financial needs are consistently covered and unexpected challenges no longer threaten your stability. It means you can pay your bills, handle emergencies, manage your responsibilities, and maintain your lifestyle without constant financial anxiety. When someone has financial security, they are not living paycheck to paycheck. They usually have savings, manageable debt, reliable income, and a plan for future expenses. Financial security creates confidence because it reduces uncertainty. For many people, financial security is the first major financial milestone. It provides peace of mind and allows them to focus on other areas of life without constantly worrying about money. 2. Signs that you have financial security. One of the clearest signs of financial security is having an emergency fund. If an unexpected expense appears, you can handle it without relying on credit cards or loans. Another sign is consistent cash flow. Your income covers your expenses comfortably, and you have room to save or invest regularly. Debt is manageable, and monthly obligations do not create overwhelming stress. People with financial security may still work full-time and depend on employment income, but they no longer feel financially vulnerable every time an unexpected challenge appears. 3. Why financial security matters. Financial security serves as a foundation for everything else. Without it, building long-term wealth becomes much more difficult. Imagine trying to invest for the future while constantly dealing with financial emergencies. Every setback forces you to start over. Savings disappear, plans get delayed, and progress feels impossible. Security creates stability. Stability creates confidence. And confidence allows people to make better financial decisions. This is why financial security should often come before pursuing more ambitious financial goals. 4. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom goes beyond stability. It is the point where your money generates enough resources to support your lifestyle without requiring active work as the primary source of income. In simple terms, financial freedom means having the ability to choose how you spend your time. Work becomes optional rather than necessary for survival. This doesn't mean financially free people stop working. Many continue working because they enjoy what they do. The difference is that they are no longer forced to work solely to pay their bills. Financial freedom creates choices. And for many people, those choices represent the ultimate financial goal. 5. Financial freedom is about control. One of the biggest benefits of financial freedom is control over your time. Most people spend decades trading hours for income. If they stop working, the income stops too. Financially free individuals have built systems that continue generating income even when they are not actively working. This income may come from investments, businesses, real estate, or other assets. The result is greater flexibility. They can travel, spend more time with family, pursue personal interests, start new projects, or simply enjoy life with fewer financial limitations. 6. Why people confuse security and freedom. The reason these concepts are often confused is because both involve having money and reducing financial stress. Someone with financial security may appear financially free because they have savings, stable income, and relatively few money worries. However, if they still depend entirely on their job to maintain that lifestyle, they have not yet reached financial freedom. Likewise, someone pursuing financial freedom without first building financial security may take unnecessary risks that create instability. The two goals are connected, but they represent different stages of financial development. 7. Security protects you from emergencies. One of the primary purposes of financial security is protection. It helps you survive unexpected challenges without major disruption. Job loss, medical expenses, economic downturns, or emergency repairs become easier to manage when strong financial foundations are in place. Security answers an important question. Can I handle life surprises without falling into financial trouble? For most people, achieving a confident yes to that question is a life-changing accomplishment. 8. Freedom gives you more choices. Financial freedom answers a different question. Do I have the ability to choose how I spend my time? This shift is powerful because time is one of life's most valuable resources. Money can be earned again. Time cannot. When people pursue financial freedom, they are often pursuing greater control over their lives. They want the option to work less, retire earlier, travel more, start businesses, volunteer, or focus on passions without depending entirely on a paycheck. 9. Which goal should come first? For most people, financial security should come first. Trying to achieve financial freedom without establishing security is like building the roof of a house before constructing the foundation. It creates unnecessary risk and instability. Financial security provides the stability needed to pursue larger goals. Once emergency savings are established, debt is manageable, and income consistently exceeds expenses, attention can gradually shift toward wealth building and financial freedom. The strongest financial journeys usually follow this progression. 10. Building financial security. The path to financial security often includes several key steps. Building an emergency fund, reducing high-interest debt, creating a realistic budget, maintaining adequate insurance, and saving consistently are all important parts of the process. These actions may not seem exciting, but they create a level of stability that many people never achieve. Security is often built through discipline, consistency, and patience rather than dramatic financial breakthroughs. 11. Building financial freedom. Financial freedom usually requires a different focus. Once security exists, the goal shifts toward creating assets that generate income. Investments, retirement accounts, businesses, rental properties, and other income-producing assets become increasingly important. The objective is to gradually reduce dependence on active work by increasing passive or semi-passive income streams. This process often takes years, but the long-term rewards can be significant. 12. The emotional difference. The emotional difference between financial security and financial freedom is also worth understanding. Financial security often brings relief. The constant fear of financial emergencies begins to fade. Stress decreases, and confidence grows. Financial freedom brings flexibility. Instead of focusing on survival and stability, people can focus on opportunities, experiences, and personal fulfillment. One provides peace of mind. The other provides expanded possibilities. 13. You don't need to choose one or the other. Some people assume they must choose between financial security and financial freedom. In reality, the most successful financial plans aim for both. Security protects your present. Freedom expands your future. Together, they create a financial life that is both stable and flexible. One allows you to handle challenges confidently, while the other gives you the power to make choices based on what you truly want rather than what you financially need. 14. The ultimate goal. At the end of the day, money is not the goal. What money provides is what truly matters. Financial security provides peace, stability, and protection. Financial freedom provides choice, flexibility, and control over your time. Understanding the difference helps you set better goals and build a clearer roadmap for your future. Whether you're just beginning your financial journey or already making progress, recognizing where you are and where you want to go can make every financial decision more meaningful. The journey may take time, but every step toward greater security and freedom is a step toward a stronger and more fulfilling life. If you enjoyed this video and found value in it, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming content.